What's going on, everybody? It's Michael Walter here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set a carpet transition gripper metal in a bathroom doorway. This is going from a vinyl planking floor to a plush carpet. So first we want to get our metal cut to fit the doorway, and I'm not even measuring in this particular case, just lining up with the doorway and making the cuts with my 10 snips. Let's see how I did, or if I'm going to have to trim it up a little more. Got to trim it a little more. Comments are welcomed. You need to use a tape measure, bro. Alrighty. Now on this one, I have to set it on the absolute edge because this is figured so tight here that the carpet falls right to the edge of the plank flooring as is. So I really can't set it back at all or anything. So the lip of the gripper metal sitting right on the edge of the plank. I'm just gonna throw a couple nails in it and get it nice and secure. Get 3 more in here and we should be good to go. All right, transition metal is set. Ready to drop the carpet into it. So we're just going to use a hook knife. If you stop by CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, we have our DIY toolkit giveaway a couple times a week now. So if you stop by there and sign up, you could be entered into a drawing. And a lot of times we have items like these hook knives, linoleum knives, whatever you want to call them, as part of the promotional items, as well as carpet kickers, tape measures, all sorts of fun stuff. So we are just tucking it right into the metal here. Next, I'm going to take my carpet kicker. I'm going to take a scrap piece of carpet. I'm going to kick it onto the teeth of the gripper metal, get it nice and tight. Folding a piece of carpet over like that, create a little buffer. Because I am not one for rubber mallets. And use that so we don't bang up the metal too much. And if you're good with a hammer, you don't even need the piece of carpet. You can just swing away and bang it up anyway. If your clients don't care, you shouldn't care. Boom. There you have it. Doorway, good to go. Thank you so much for tuning in. Any questions, comments? Go ahead and drop those below. Get over to CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. Tap the subscribe button and get in on the DIY Toolkit giveaway. I'll see you on the next video.